Hi, I'm Wayne
I'm Sarah.
and you're watching Beaten Track Leisure. Now today's episode is all about you've got your campervan, you've got your motorhome or even your caravan. You're a beginner like ourselves. 5 things in 5 minutes, things that we find are very useful as beginners and we've had to learn along the way. Just simple things but will make your life easier in enjoying your campervan and your visits away. So stay tuned for that. Item number 1, I'm going for these foldable objects. This is a washer and drainer. Space is a premium on the van. These things save space. Brilliant. Can fit into the little cupboards we have. We have one of these for draining your utensils. We also have a bowl with 2 handles, don't we?
Yes.
And we have a bucket. Any camping shop or even some of the supermarkets sell these. I think these have been one of the best purchases that we've made in the camper van.
And this one in particular is great because it acts as a washing up bowl and a drainer. There's actually a plug at the bottom of it, so you use it as the washing up bowl and then just flick it around. The water will drain and then you have a drainer for your pots and pans. I absolutely love this because my job
You can tell who does all the washing up.
Yes, as I clean, this is fantastic. Couldn't be without this.
The next thing is the humble toaster. Yes, I did say that. And that's basically, yes, we could cook our toast in the oven. When you've got limited space, bread and cooking toast and bagels, etc. is a real advantage for breakfast. So,
And not only that, for snacks and lunch and everything.
Exactly. You don't want to buy anything special. What you want is the cheapest toaster you can get with the lowest wattage, but do make sure you get one that's thick enough to take bagels and crumpets, etc. Some of the cheaper ones aren't. One of the most useful items for eating that we've had, I would say, that a toaster of about 700 watts, so it doesn't obviously you've got to be on hookup when you're doing this unless you've got a really good inverter, but a toaster for helping you out with your meals over the oven, definite advantage.
It's a must.
It's
Absolutely.
a must. Next on the list is quite an obvious one really, but these are melamine plates. And we have a selection of them. And we did originally use normal crockery straight out of our kitchen, didn't we?
Yeah.
And obviously we've got small cupboards where you can store your plates and that. And obviously as I'm driving around, might be my driving, but basically rattling around everywhere, very annoying. Obviously easy to break. What's better than the old camping special melamine plates? What do you want to add,
absolutely. Well, of course, these are more than your picnic for those that do the camping a great deal, but we're coming from a beginner. You don't want your general bog standard picnic plates because then that is plastic. These are a melamine and they're BPA free, which is fantastic, and they don't rattle.
They feel real, don't they?
They feel real.
They feel like plates,
nice.
You know, which is nice. Nice advice. Definite purchase for you as a beginner.
Definitely.
Next on the list is a teppanyaki grill. This particular one is a Camper Fry Up XL. Basically, it's a cooking plate. In the summer months, I use this for every breakfast, every lunchtime, every dinner, cooking outside. It's just very versatile. It's fantastic. And
cook your eggs on there, fried eggs, your mushrooms, beans, a little
chicken stir fries, everything you could ever want. You can even toast bread on there.
Yes.
Very useful. Another accessory that goes with this you probably want is a weatherproof extension lead so we can have the electric. So it's not costing us any extra. We're not using our gas. We don't like to cook in the van when possible because obviously the smells and the space and everything else. So very useful. Teppanyaki grill, very cheap, probably £25-30. Great advantage in the van. And our final one, Sarah is modelling for us today. The branded versions of these are called dry robes, but that's a brand, very good quality. This is actually a Primark version, and we call it a changing robe. It comes in so useful. I have one as well. But basically, when you're on a campsite and you can go to the shower block and put this on and walk back, it's waterproof and it starts drying you off, very warm as well. Also, you can use it to change if you're at the beach or you just need to change inside. It's big enough where you can change inside. Very warm. Will you find the benefits, Sarah?
These are absolutely fantastic as a beginner in a tight space in a camper. Fantastic. So many deep pockets. For instance, you don't want to take your bag, your wash bag, you put it all in the pockets here. It's got a hood,
a trip to the toilet in the night.
It's fantastic. Waterproof as well. Definitely a must. Amazing.
£45 from Primark. So thanks for watching. That was our 5 things in 5 minutes. It's not a comprehensive list by any means. These are just things that we find really useful as beginners with a camper van and serve us well. Hope you found it useful. Please tell us in the comments below what you use, what you find your most useful accessories. We can always got room for more purchases, haven't we, Sarah?
Absolutely, love a purchase.
Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, like, subscribe the video and share it where you can. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching,
Bye.
guys.